Hello everyone, welcome to this beginner ukulele lesson for kids and parents. Today we're going to be doing two things. We're going to be working on finding notes with tablature, and we're also going to be practicing chords.
Make sure to give this video a thumbs up.
Now let's do Find the Note. Okay, so our first note is on the first string, 5th fret there. So we're on the bottom here. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, Sadie's got it. Nice, Sadie. Yep. Cody, man, you got that? Okay, yeah. And I have my two amazing children with me today, Sadie and Cody.
Again, you'll be seeing us often.
Yes. Okay, we have the 5th fret there. That sounds good. If you're playing the right fret and it doesn't sound like our ukuleles, then you should probably check your tuning. Make sure that you're in tune. All right, our next note here is the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So we're going to go up a string now, and we're going to count 1, 2, 3 down here like this. Should sound a little something like that. Yeah. And I'm using my thumb. Sadie's using a pick. Cody Man's also using his thumb over there. So do what works for you. All right, that sounds good to my ears, you guys. And then we're going to our next note, which says 7 on the 3rd string. So we're going up another string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa! It sounds the same. It is. It's actually the same. It should sound the same as the last note. So it's pretty good. You should have a dot there too on your ukulele. Or at least most ukuleles have a dot on 7. Okay, that's great. And now we're going to the top string here, 8th fret. Okay, so 8 is a little bit harder to find. Oh, that's good. That's right, Sadie. Yep. So, Cody, man, that's right. Yeah, sounds good. Yep. And then we see finally a 0 on the top string. Yes. Oh, excellent job. Oh, yeah. Round of applause. And while you're practicing finding notes, you can use different fingers if you want to. Eventually, we want to get good at using all of our fingers. So if you're getting pretty good at using your pointer finger, maybe you should try using your middle or your ring or even your pinky if you want a little bit of a challenge. And now for another episode of
Dad Jokes!
Let's get excited.
Dear Math, grow up and solve your own problems.
I can't trust theirs.
How come?
They're up to something.
Did you guys hear the rumor about butter?
No, I did not.
Well, I'm not going to spread it. All right, now we're going to do a little chord practice here. In the first and the second and the third videos, we practiced playing some chords. We had learned C major. C major was the bottom string. When you go to the bottom string, you hold down the 3rd fret. It sounds like this. You guys know that one? Yep, that's right, yep. What we're going to work on today is a new chord, F major, but we're first going to play A minor because A minor is kind of a shortcut to get to F major. So to play A minor, we go to the top string and we play the 2nd fret. Now, if you normally use your pointer finger like this, you're going to have to use your middle finger for this because we're going to need to use your pointer finger to play a different note for F major, okay? So let's make sure we get that A minor first. Yeah, that sounds good, Sadie. Cody, man. Okay, that sounds good. Yes. Okay, that's great. So now F major, what you're going to do is while you're holding the 2nd fret down on the top string, you're also going to put your pointer finger on the 1st fret, 2nd string. So from the bottom, you're counting up 1 string, and then you're on the 1st fret. It looks like this. Okay, make sure you're on the 2nd fret there, because it's the 3rd fret. There we go, yeah. Okay, that's actually sounding pretty good, guys. All right, yeah. Now here are a couple tips for you if you're getting muted strings and notes. First, make sure that your fingernails are cut short, because if you have long fingernails, those are going to get in the way of the strings, and what's going to happen is it's going to make your fingers kind of flatten down so you'll touch the other strings. So make sure your fingernails are trimmed up, and also when you push down these notes, push down with the tips of your fingers. Like really get in there with the tips, and don't let your fingers get flat like this. Let's go back to that A minor again. Let's try that. Down here to play the F, which is on the 1st fret, 2nd string. Yeah! Okay, we're gonna gonna do 2 patterns on A minor and 2 patterns on F, and we're not gonna pause in between. We're just gonna push our fingers down like this, and we're gonna switch in between those back and forth. So here we go. A minor, let's get that one ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. F. A minor. F. Can you do one more time? A minor. F. Yes. Okay, good. Very good. Yeah. So chords are difficult to play. Just know that if you're struggling with chords and you're changing between them, you might make a lot of mistakes. So just be patient with yourself, give yourself some leeway, just be easy on yourself. It takes a lot of practice to get good at chords, especially switching between them. So repetition, 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 right? If you do it over and over again, eventually you'll get good at it. And that is the secret, you can just sit there in front of the TV if you want. Sit in front of the TV while you're watching a show and just practice doing this. Code, you want to show me how you can switch between the A minor and the F there? Yeah, good. Very good. Want to try that, Sadie? Yeah, and I like how Sadie made this little adjustment in her playing as she was playing. And it's okay to make adjustments as you're playing to try to tweak the sound and to get it to sound more clear. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. I hope that it was helpful for your learning. Please leave us a comment. Let us know how it went for you. Was it fun? Was it easy? Was it difficult? Do you want to see something in the next video, a specific song that we can cover? All right, everyone. Have a good day.
Bye.
There's something in my teeth.
That
might be bloopers. Jinx! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You owe me a Coke. I'm getting a Coke after this. This might take a few tries. Ooh, sorry. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this ukulele lesson for beginners and it's kids and parents. Today we're going to be doing 2 things. We're going to be doing Find the Blue and Blobbity Blee.
You're gonna get through this.
Yes.
Yeah!